Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix digestive issues with Activia, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what digestive issues are. Common problems include bloating, gas, constipation, and diarrhea. These issues often stem from an imbalance in gut bacteria. Activia is a yogurt brand specifically formulated to support digestive health. Begin by incorporating Activia into your daily routine. Choose the flavor you prefer, whether it's original, fruit, or blended. Aim for 1 serving per day. Read the label to ensure you're consuming the right amount of probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help restore equilibrium in your gut. Next, observe your body's reaction over the next few days. You may notice improved regularity and less bloating. Consider maintaining a consistent eating schedule. Eating at the same times each day can help regulate your digestive system. Combine Activia with a balanced diet rich in fiber. Include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to further support digestion. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps move food through the digestive tract. After 2 weeks, evaluate your digestive health. If you still experience issues, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. They can assess for any underlying conditions. If needed, you can continue using Activia as part of your long-term digestive health strategy. Thoroughly enjoy the benefits of a happier gut. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.